In this video, I'm going to show you some examples of how to find the area of a parallelogram. Before we jump into actually doing these problems, I want to show you where the formula for the area of a parallelogram comes from. If we take this right triangle that I'm going to trace over right here, we can then slide this triangle over to the other side of our parallelogram. And if we do that, we are now acting like this triangle right here is gone, and our entire figure then becomes this blue rectangle. This blue rectangle has a base of 35 and a height of 12, and we know that it's a 35 by 12 array, so its area is just 35 times 12. And this will work for any parallelogram. You can always chop off one right triangle from one side of it and slide that right triangle directly over to the other side and form a rectangle. So the area of a parallelogram will always be the base times the height. On question number 1, that is 35 times 12, which is 420, and we're doing area, so this is meters times meters, or meters squared, which is A. On question 2, our base is 51 and the height is 22. Notice that the height must be perpendicular to the base. This triangle right here, this is the triangle that we can slide over to right here and make part of our rectangle. So we're going to do a 51 by 22 rectangle, multiply this out, and that gives us 1,122 square units, and the units is yards. Question 3, what's the area of a parallelogram with a base of 18 and a height of 20? We're just going to do 18 times 20. 18 times 2 is 36, and then 110 gives us 360 square meters. And number 4, area of a parallelogram with a base of 28 and a height of 28. We'll multiply 28 times 28. 16 and 6 is 22. That would be 5. So we have 784 square meters.